Yeah, some discussion on electrostatic potential energy. So if you have some charges, 5, 6, 7, 8, all of them are at infinite distance from each other. At this point, the electrostatic potential energy of the system or a collection of charges is zero, okay? Because they're at infinite distance. Now, when you tend to bring these charges close to each other, you have to do work to get a new configuration. A new configuration means you are bringing them closer. Every charge has some distance, from each other. The way you will put this whole configuration together will decide the electrostatic potential energy of these charged configurations. And it will be equal to the amount of work you did to bring all these charges from infinity to the configuration you chose. It could be a square, it could be a triangle, it could be a trapezium. So this is the concept of electrostatic potential energy. Thank you.